See, exercise 9.1, standard 10th CBSE, I am saying about exercise 9.1, question number 8. The question is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Now see, try to understand the situation. See, suppose this is the ground level. CD I have shown with is the ground level. Then here is the pedestal. Pedestal is a stand on which the statue is situated or made to rest. Okay. So BC is the height of that pedestal. Then AB is the height of the statue as I have shown here. Okay. Now an observer is standing at point D, and from here the observer is looking at the top of the pedestal, making an angle of 45 degree, that is told to you. And from the same point the observer is looking at the top of the tower, right, statue, and making the angle of 60 degree, that is told to you. Have you understand the situation? The person is standing at point D, looking at the top of the pedestal, making an angle of 45 degree. From same position he is looking at the top of the statue, making an angle of 60 degree. Now here if you consider the triangle BDC, this angle is 45 degree. So what will be tan 45 degree here? BC upon CD. Is it so? Say BC upon CD. Agree? Now let us substitute the values. Tan 45 is 1 as I know. Then BC I have assumed to be X, right? And CD as it is. Now by cross multiplication I will get BC and CD are equal and are of length X. Then consider the triangle ADC. Consider tan of 60 degree. Now what is tan 60 here? Isn't it opposite upon adjacent, that is AC upon CD? Let me write it over here. Now what is the value of tan 60 degree? It is root 3. What is the value of AC? See here, AC is AB plus BC, that is 1.6 plus X, right? So X plus 1.6, and CD as I know here is simply X. Again by cross multiplication what do I get? Root 3X, that is X root 3 is equal to X plus 1.6. Now from this let me shift this X to this side, so I will get X root 3 minus X is equal to 1.6. Therefore X can be taken common, and X into bracket root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So X will be equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now in order to get this correct value, let me rationalize this denominator. So here is root 3 minus 1. I will multiply it by root 3 plus 1. As you all know, I have to multiply the numerator as well as denominator by root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, right? Got it? Now, see what will be there in the numerator. The numerator will be 1.6 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 upon, now here this is a plus b into a minus b. I know this is, these are the factors of a square minus b square. And so a square means root 3 square, that is 3. Minus b square means 1 square, that is 1. So it will be 1.6. Now root 3 I know is 1.732 approximately upon 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 1.6 divided by 2 is 0.8 multiplied by 2.732. This will give you the, what am I finding? This will give you the height of the pedestal. Is that clear to you? Okay. Even you can leave it like this, 0.8 into root 3 plus 1, or you can find this value by getting that product. Okay, thank you.